All right, welcome back, everyone. Hey, we're over at Larry's. We've moved that mean colony that we broke down into 18 new mini mating nukes. We've moved them all over to Larry's here, and so today we are going to install queens into them. I don't have extra ones, so we're just going to go one queen cell per colony, and we'll come back and see if they hatch later this week, and if they do, we'll be good. If they don't, then we'll add some more, because we're going to be doing a round of grafting today. So let's get this done. Let's just maybe start right over here. Nice and huddled up here. That just like that. Where's the two? Right there. Hopefully that. Yeah. Try it. All right. On to the next one. There we go. Okay. You know what? There's really not enough bees in that one either. Just shut it up. This happens every now and again where they'll just gravitate to a box. We've got a couple of boxes that have extra bees in them, so this one looks good. Okay. All right, so right behind you there, McKay.
They seem to be liking that.
All right. Looks good.
Ooh, there's a good one.
Yep.
And they've eaten all the food.
We may not go back and restock those. We may just leave them strong like this and let them build up.
Let's steal a patty out of one of those.
Go ahead and put it back on there. We'll come back and do it later. We'll get done with these. I've got more feed in the Suburban we'll put in.
Did we do this one?
Yep, we did both of those. All right. Let's see here. They're all huddled up against the sidewall, so it's hard to get a queen cell to sit against the sidewall very easily. So we'll just move the frames around a little bit. Okay, well, we got all of the queen cells in to the mating nukes. We ended up having 2 colonies that virtually had left and moved into one of the boxes next to it or some other box. We've got a few boxes that look like they had extra bees, so I'm sure that's where they went, and that's fine. A lot of times I'd take that and split them back apart and then move the box to another location, but since it was just 2 and we have 18 already, we're just going to leave it as is. So out of that 1 colony that we made all the splits, we're going to have 16 instead of 18. So that's where we are there. Everything looks great here. Got them all loaded. We're set. They should all hatch or emerge tomorrow and Wednesday. Yeah, tomorrow and Wednesday. So we'll be back later in the week or first the next to check and just see if which ones emerged and which ones didn't. Then we'll add some new cells to that. We'll be back later today doing another round of grafts, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching Just Because. For more videos that provide you with a simplified, practical approach to beekeeping, be sure to click that subscribe button and ring the bell notification icon so you won't miss a thing.